Hey guys, welcome to Misako Rocks channel. Woo. Today I like to show you how to draw two expressions. Super duper kawaii chibi characters. Happy face and sad face. These are like completely opposite reactions, right? So it's really important for you to know if you're into chibi style. And sort of like this time I was more inspired, let's say, by Gatcha Life. You know, most of my students love Gatcha Life. So I got to know them more better. So I'm going to show you this step by step. It's going to be easy. So let's go. Okay, so the first I want to draw a circle and side cross lines. And the side lines, can you draw a little lower? Because we need big space for her eyes. All right, so now we're going to start drawing her eyebrows. Chibi girls' eyebrows, it's not that important, but I kind of like giving a little tiny eyes. Maybe kind of sort of going down, looks down a little, right? And then we're going to start drawing her nice big eyes. But she's laughing, so we don't need to draw her actual eye. Just a little nice touch right in the end. Go like that. Almost like drawing a rainbow shape, right? Like this. And then don't worry about mouth right now. We're just going to draw her face line. I mean, it's pretty much we are using this line. But here we go. From here, left, right. And then let's give a little tiny cheeks. This side too, same way, cheeks sticking up just a little bit. Okay, something like this. And then we're gonna draw her cute mouth. And the teeth, maybe fang. But if only one side, that's kind of cute too. Or both. Okay, so it's up to you. I like keeping just one side. Kind of cute, okay? And I would like giving a little big eye, little big eyes, doesn't make any sense. But big eyes, no. Okay, and then I like giving big ears like this, or no ears. Guess we can just give her nice kawaii oof or cat ears for this girl. Right? Then we're gonna draw her hair. So let's start drawing here. Maybe like this triangle, kind of soft triangle. And here, sort of like not covering all the way. Maybe this side covering her eyebrows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe. Right? And then if you want to add a layer, draw one lines on the top, other lines on the bottom. Okay? Then I'm giving more hair on the top. Okay, and maybe nice cute short hair for her. And maybe like this side, I'm going to cover her face line a little bit with her hair. And this side. Okay, short hair. So this kind of line, okay, not all the way straight. Sort of like you want to give a nice curve, right? And maybe draw hair next to her face line. Something like this. Then we're going to start erasing some baseline we do first. So maybe coming out one side, coming out from here, one side coming out from this side. When cat is so happy, ear goes up, standing straight. Let's do this side too. Ooh, we need to erase this logo. This side too. Right, and then we're gonna erase some hairlines because ears covering it too. And I like a little, I think a little stripes. This side too. Like that. And then maybe cute little whisker. Why not? This side too. And then let's give a nice cute rosy cheeks. Like this. Good job, guys. So her eyebrows goes down because she's really crying. Little wrinkles. Down, little bit of wrinkles. Now we're gonna draw her eyelid. Really big eyelid. And eyelashes, like one eyelashes there. And then big eye. Okay, this side too. I mean, we don't want to draw her eyes too close to each other. You want to have a little nice distance, okay? Like that. Okay, so now we're gonna draw her face line from here, left to right. If you want to, you can add little cheeks, both sides. Connect the line, not that much chin. Maybe let's give a nice reflection on the top. Since she's crying, you wanna show her, eyes are really reflected or something. So more circle, right? And a black circle in the middle, black circle in the middle. And then let's give a nice line. Other side. Okay, then we're gonna draw her, tear around this edge. Go like this, same thing. Like that. And maybe we can just draw a teardrop coming down on a cheek. So maybe we can draw something like this, right? Just simple. You want to keep it kind of simple because she got such a big eyes. So you don't want to take over her face with mouth and tears, everything, right? So I just make it really minimal. Then you're going to start drawing her hair. Okay. Big triangle. Side. A little bit more side. This side too. This side. And the same thing. I'm going to draw a nice round head shape. Maybe this side going. Hair comes down. They're looking maybe side, some of them, and looking down. Let's do other side. Same thing. Some of them maybe like covering a face a little. Or like that. Then we're going to start erasing those baseline, okay? Instead of, ears going up, going down, it's kind of cuter. Right? So like triangle, looking just the side. This side too. And then cover a little bit of hair here. And draw inside of line here. Inside line here. And we're going to erase this line. Now let's give a little stripes. Okay, so now since she's crying, we want to give a little rosy cheeks. Go like this, right? And don't forget the whisker, maybe going down a little. Here you go. You drew super kawaii sad chibi face. Did you guys enjoy drawing two different expressions today? Super kawaii happy chibi face and super kawaii sad chibi face. Now you know how to do. So maybe you can create more different expressions, all right? And don't forget taking a photo of those drawing and send it to me through hashtag Misako Rocks, okay, on Instagram. All right, don't forget that. And if you have any questions or requests, please leave your comments right here. And follow my Instagram and Twitter and subscribe my newsletter right here. Okay, and I can't wait to show you more kawaii drawings. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm gonna see you guys pretty soon. Bye!